Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Amazing Coding. My name is Ahmad, and in today's lesson, I wanted to recap everything that we did in the last couple of lessons, but also transition to the next phase of the class. So in the last couple of lessons, as you guys are aware, we took some of the most common HTML elements, we did small examples with them, and interacted with JavaScript and CSS as well. We took, select, we took image, we took table, we took header, we took all these different types of HTML elements, did a small example with them, and now it's time to move on. However, I did want to tell you guys that we didn't even get close to covering all of the different types of HTML elements that you can do. As you guys can see on W3 Schools, as I'm going through the long list of different types of HTML header elements, you guys could go ahead, research, read about them, maybe even click on one of them and see like a different example being used. For example, this A tag, if I was to click on it, W3 Schools will tell me what it's about. I can try it for myself, and this is what I want you guys to do on your own time. However, in this class, we are going to transition away from just HTML elements and transition into JavaScript and more advanced learnings in specifically JavaScript. That being said, in future lessons, when we're getting more advanced in our HTML examples and are more complex in our websites, we may use a new HTML elements that we haven't taken before, but we'll recap very quickly in that lesson what it's about. But basically, I just wanted to take this lesson to show that we are transitioning away from the introduction to the different types of HTML elements and how we took the most common ones, but we didn't take all of them. And you guys should take time out of your day to read about them, try an example yourself, and see if you can do it yourself without the help and me guiding you through it. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, rewatch the older videos if you did not understand them. This class is built on top of each other. We're going in a way where all knowledge that we're taking is building on top of each other. So if you didn't understand anything, rewatch the videos, ask questions to amazingcoding@gmail.com, and share with your friends. Get together with your friends and family, try to code together. That is a great exercise. I'll see you guys in the next video where we're going to be transitioning to more advanced JavaScript and focusing on JavaScript for a while. Peace out, and I'll see you guys there.